Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. This product retails for $69. This is the second product from Drunk Elephant I'm trying on this channel. I was a little bit on the fence about this because this is a very expensive moisturizer. I haven't really tried many of Drunk Elephant's products, but this product really stood out to me because it seemed to have some great ingredients in it. I've also seen some people talking about this product, so I really wanted to test it out for myself. I've never tried a Drunk Elephant moisturizer, so this will be the very first one. I will be hyper-analyzing this product though because it is a very expensive product. Obviously, if you are into buying luxury skincare, then definitely don't. I just want to try out this product and see what I see myself and see if I feel like it is worth it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Looking over the ingredients, this has amazing ingredients in it, but it also does have shea butter. I know that is an ingredient that has been known as a pore clogger for some people. If you know that that is the case for you, then definitely avoid this product. But as for me, I've never had an issue with it. I'm hoping I won't see acne, but that will be the main thing I'm looking for with this product. I also want to see what this product does for my skin barrier and also if I feel like it is worth the money. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I know this moisturizer is so expensive, but I can't lie, I've been loving it so far. So this is more of an internally hydrating moisturizer. What I love about it so far is that it doesn't leave a greasy finish on the skin, but it seems to have great ingredients to help lock in hydration, and it claims to give 24 hours of hydration, and so far that is proving to be true. I love using this product at night because it really does help me wake up and not feel dehydrated, not feel dry in any way. It's just a really luxurious feeling moisturizer. As I continue through this review, I am going to see if I know of any cheaper alternatives because $69 is a lot for a moisturizer. Love their packaging, but that is not why we are here. So hopefully you will be able to tell. You can definitely see it is a richer cream, but it just melts into the skin so nice. And it doesn't give much of a glow. That's something else I'm noticing with this product. Now, when I apply it on my face, it is a little bit more of a glowy finish. You can see it's not suffocating, it's just a nice glow, and it does kind of fade the more that I use it. I'm really loving this product so far. I'm going to continue using it to see if it causes any acne. So far I haven't seen any signs of that or texture coming up on my skin. This seems to have some great ingredients in it, and my skin doesn't feel overly hydrated. It just mainly feels balanced. I feel like this is a very balancing moisturizer, especially for the winter. I'm really loving it so far. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I have fallen in love with this moisturizer, and I didn't think it was possible because the price point is so expensive. I'm going to talk about my opinions on this product, and then I'm going to talk about what I have found to be the closest alternative to it if you're not willing to spend this much money on skincare, because that is so justified. Drunk Elephant is a very luxurious brand. They make really expensive products. With my experience with this product, I personally found it to be worth it, and it was a product that I really enjoyed. Not only did it provide great benefits at restoring my skin barrier, but it also had linoleic acid in it, and this product didn't cause any acne. I actually felt like it did kind of help my acne a little bit, and it had a very luxurious, rich texture that just melted into the skin like butter. It was a very luxurious formula, and I really fell in love with it, and I could honestly see myself repurchasing it. I didn't go through it very quickly because I just used one pump of it and I made it last, but I did find it was the perfect moisturizer for daytime and nighttime use. It's a very unique product because it doesn't leave a heavy finish on the skin. It's not greasy. It almost feels like a balm texture that provides an internal hydration while not being greasy or thick on the skin, which I absolutely love. The closest alternative that I can find to this, which it doesn't have all the same ingredients in it, but it does still have amazing ingredients, is the Glossier After Balm. That product I saw similar results to with this product, and I would reconsider purchasing that product over this one in the future, but I mean, I would also consider purchasing this product because I saw great results with it, and it just personally worked great for my skin. If you are looking for the cheaper alternative, I do feel like the Glossier texture-wise and and ingredient wise is the closest moisturizer that I found. If you all know of a moisturizer that is more affordable, then please let me know. I do feel like this is a great product. I am just providing that resource if you do not want to spend this much on skincare. Overall, the Glossier did everything that this product did as well, and I would reevaluate purchasing that product. But as for my experience with this product, I did really enjoy it. It's just however much you want to spend on skincare. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.